This is just an update to the Kensun HID kit that I've had installed on my car for over 3 years now. As you can see, the driver's side here is not lighting up anymore. I was actually in the middle of changing out the bulbs to ones that I was testing out from HID Warehouse. These are 5000K bulbs. They're actually pretty nice. It was much better when they were both working. They're definitely the 5000K that I ordered, and just one bulb alone is doing a great job of lighting up my neighbor's car. I was really hoping to do a proper review of them, except that this side stopped working. At first I thought it was the new bulb, because every time I put the Kensun bulb back in, it worked, and every time I put the new bulb back in, it stopped working. I even had them send me a replacement one, and it did the same exact thing, but now I've got the Kensun bulb back in, and it's not working anymore. It lit up once, and that was it. So it looks like 3 years, or a little more than 3 years tops, on the life expectancy of the Kensun ballast. Alright, thanks for watching.